a very good day. I might call Lucky the Leprechaun about what happened here. Hello? Lucky? Lucky? Are you okay? Hello? Huh, that's weird. He might still sleeping or something. Wait a minute. Lucky's not sleeping. Trix Rabbit was trying to kidnap him? Oh dear, how could he? That's it. I am so going to save Lucky and stop Rabbit right now. Don't worry, Lucky. I'm coming for you quickly. That's right. My apparent fascination with that other cereal was the real trick. I've been after your Lucky Charms all along. Stop right there! Don't worry, Lucky! I'm here! It's okay, Lucky. Let me get you out. Later. There! You're free. Now run before he might catch you. Thanks, Sonny. Oh, and silly rabbit. Tricks are for kids. Bye. Grrr. Get back here. Oh, no, you don't. Almost there. Come on. Ha! Gotcha! Now you're coming with me. Rabbit, why on earth would you try to kidnap Lucky and replace him as the Lucky Charms mascot? You do realize that kidnapping people could get you arrested. Also, you're a Trix mascot, not the Lucky Charms mascot. Tell me the truth or else. Okay, fine. I was just trying to kidnap Lucky because of what everyone said that tricks are for kids. So I decided to kidnap him, then kill him, and then trying to become the new Lucky Charms mascot instead of becoming a Trix mascot. And I want to have Trix since I'm a mascot. But no one shared it for me. That's why I had to do it. I'm so sorry for doing this, Sonny. I just want to do this for fun. Please forgive me. I promise I won't do that to Lucky or anything else ever again. I'm so freaking sorry. It's okay, Rabbit. Please don't cry. I know how you feel. But you have to understand that tricks are for kids. But since you kidnapped Lucky on purpose, I decided to call the police on you for doing that. No! Sonny! Please don't call the police on me. I'm sorry for doing this to Lucky. I promise I won't do that ever again. Please give me another chance. I change. Sorry, Rabbit, but it's for your own good and for our friends' own good. Later, after Sonny calls the police. Trix Rabbit, you're under arrest for attempting murder and for kidnapping a leprechaun named Lucky the Leprechaun, the Lucky Charms mascot, and for stealing the Trix cereal when I saw in the security footage. You have a right to remain silent. Anything you say will be against you in court, but in the next year. Now come on, get in the police car. You're going to jail for 10 months. This is the worst day ever. I can't believe that this is happening. Now I feel really ashamed of myself for what I did. Poor Rabbit. This was all his fault. Or maybe if it was my fault. I really don't want to call the police on some of my friends like him. I just don't want to let this happen. I'm really scared to let him kidnapping people like that. What if he's gonna kidnap the kids next? Or maybe Buzz the Honey Nut Cheerios bee? Or Chip the Wolf, even though he will only shoot him? Or the Cinnamon Toast Crunch Crazy Squares? Or even the Kellogg's and the Post cereal mascots? Especially Fred and Barney from the Flintstones, even though Tony's strong. I just want to save everyone. I'm sorry, Rabbit, but I have no choice. But I'm gonna miss you, my friend. The end.